A very, very warm hello to all you beautiful souls. You are listening to me, Preeti Vora, a tarot card reader, angel therapist, and an emotional health advisor. So, if you are looking for understanding life in a better perspective and how to deal with it in various aspects, say finances, relationships, your own self, or the challenges that you're facing in life, then this is the channel for you to subscribe. You will find a lot of tips, a lot of tools that you can time and again use to make your life more beneficial, to add more value to your life. So instantly go and subscribe the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about you, you yourself. So are you in a relationship where you always look out for validation from people? You need that attention, but you crave it, you miss it. Do you miss the love that you really should deserve? Do you crave for all of the love and attention, but yet not get it? And are looking for a reason why this is happening to you? Then this is the very video you must watch. Remember, everything in your life begins with you. Everything changes when you begin to treat yourself in a particular fashion. So, if you are someone who is craving for attention, just check, are you paying enough attention on yourself? If you are someone who is longing for love, finding a companion, or is just waiting for Mr. Right or Miss Right to come your way, then check quickly if you are loving yourself enough. Because if you are not loving yourself enough, you send out an energy of lack of love. You send out an energy of desperation. Okay, so that's when you feel that I need someone to fill these gaps in my life. But today I'm here to tell you that you are a powerful source. Everything is within you. The love that you're looking for, the attention that you're looking for, and even the power to attract the right life partner is right there within you. So start loving yourself. Let the word love begin here within yourself. Okay, love yourself unconditionally because that's the vibe you will then throw out. Unconditional love, and that is only going to attract unconditional love for yourself. So the more you vibrate that element, you're going to just attract the same energy. The more you love who you are, the more you accept yourself, the more you will find people who will love you and people who will accept you the way you are. No one will try to change you. You will not feel the need of seeking validation from people outside. So, the more you love yourself, the more you love who you are, the more you accept yourself, the less you seek validations and approvals from people whom you are related to, no matter what relationship. Whether it's a love affair or anything else, people are an important part of our life. And as humans, we have this tendency of seeking validation all the time. But the first step is validate your own self. Know that you are perfect in your own space. Love yourself unconditionally. Know that you deserve it. And just start giving yourself, showering yourself upon with unconditional love. And then just see how you start attracting the right kind of people from places, the right kind of love that you're looking for. No validations, no criterias specified. Okay, it's just going to be so selfless, so beautiful, so unconditional, and so abundant. So please start doing this. Share this video with people who really need to hear this. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and do come back soon to check out my new videos thereafter. Thank you. Stay blessed.